Peru's giant squid fishing quota is set at approximately 420,000 tons per year. This figure reflects the crucial role of the giant squid in the global seafood supply chain. Less often mentioned than tuna or king crab, but giant squid is a huge source of protein that feeds millions of people. Giant squid isn't always considered a delicacy. In many countries, they are consumed only in limited quantities or cater to the low-price segments. However, in Peru, this squid species, commonly known as pota, plays a special role in the national seafood consumption. With its large size, rapid growth, and stable yield, the pota has become a mainstay of Peru's offshore fishing industry. To meet that enormous production demand, giant squid are brought into large-scale industrial processing plants. Unlike small individual workshops, these factories operate according to strict processes and are highly specialized. The objectives are not just speed, but also quality control, food safety, and maximum efficiency. The processing begins as soon as the squid is fed into the cleaning line. The head, internal organs, and ink sac are removed from the squid's body with precision. The ink sac is handled with particular care, as even a small break can contaminate the entire white flesh. After removing the internal organs, the squid body is thoroughly washed to completely remove any remaining dirt and impurities. The next step is to remove the thick, rubbery skin that covers the squid's body. This is a highly skilled process, aimed at preserving as much of the pure white flesh underneath. Workers use sharp knives and specialized tools to gently peel back the skin along the curves of the squid's body. In some cases, the squid is quickly blanched in hot water or lightly mechanically processed to loosen the skin. These steps help speed up the peeling process without damaging the meat. After the skin is completely removed, the white meat is carefully inspected. To preserve freshness and texture, squid can be quickly chilled or immersed in a temperature-controlled cold water bath. The cleaned meat is then cut into large blocks or divided into portions. This process can be done manually by skilled workers or by an automated cutting system. Machinery helps ensure uniform size, meeting the requirements of the commercial market. To prevent discoloration and preserve natural flavor, squid meat can be treated with a mild acid solution or antioxidants. These steps help the product maintain its bright color, stable texture, and high commercial value. For ring squid products, the blocks of meat are fed into a specialized cutting machine. Sharp circular blades cut through the squid body, creating rings of uniform thickness. Enzyme treatment. This process breaks down the tough muscle fibers, making the squid softer and easier to chew during cooking. Once finished, the squid rings are sorted, packaged, and quick frozen. Packaging methods include vacuum-sealed bags, plastic boxes, or trays covered with protective film. Packaging materials are selected to minimize freezer burn and maintain quality throughout storage. The scraps of meat that are unsuitable for making squid rings are not wasted. They are ground up and recycled into value-added products, such as squid balls or squid popcorn. Squid tentacles are a distinct, high-value product line. They are separated from the body, trimmed, and sorted by size or weight. After processing, the tentacles can be packaged fresh or frozen for distribution to restaurants and retailers. Fins have a distinct texture and flavor. They are typically cleaned and boiled in large stainless steel tanks. The boiling process helps to tenderize the meat while preserving its natural flavor. Afterwards, the squid wings are rapidly chilled and frozen to extend their shelf life. From offshore fishing to the massive industrial chain, giant squid undergoes a complex journey before appearing on the dinner table. Few would have guessed that behind those familiar ink rings lies a massive, non-stop industrial machine. That's the world behind the giant squid processing industry, a quiet industry, yet large enough to feed the entire global market.